Woo. No intro, it's hot, it's 80 degrees, let's get to work. First thing we're doing is pulling this trim out. I'm just gonna take a little trim tool, gently pulling the clips off and sliding that out. Then we pull out these two screws here and then pull this out. It comes out as one whole piece. We got 3 clips back here, plus the antenna. That's out. I should have done this inside, but we gotta clip this right into the trim. Putting this together, make sure you get the clips in here. That's gonna clip inside of here. And get a radio that fits a little bit better. Mine, not so much. It's a little bit larger than it should be, but it should work. Clip it right in. These can only wire one way. The most wiring you're gonna have to do is between these 2 connectors here. This one goes to the radio, this one goes to your wiring harness within the car. For the Mazda specifically, you're gonna get this part number from Metra. Then all you have to do is follow the directions between this side and this side. Luckily, aftermarkets are a little more consistent than stock wiring harnesses. So all these colors basically match up. Red to red, yellow to yellow, green to green, black to black. And the same thing with the speaker wires. Now if you don't have these, you can easily just twist them up together and then use electrical tape. However, I do like the crimping method better, simply because you get a more consistent and solid connection. See? Doesn't come apart. Get this trim back on, slide it in there. And that looks pretty darn good. Now let's find out if I wired it the right way. It works! Oh man, it is hot. Well, that is how you put a radio into a Mazda 3. And if you like those little quick tutorials, please comment down below which one you'd like me to do next, and hit that subscribe button so you can see other things like the builds, like this vehicle here. And I will see you in the next one.